Why do thousands of DIY enthusiasts love bricklaying? Because it's the foundation of every sturdy structure. First, let's prepare the base. The foundation must be leveled to ensure stability. Spread a layer of mortar as the base for the first row of bricks. This is crucial for a strong start. Next, we lay the first row. Spread the mortar evenly and place the first brick. Use a spirit level to check alignment. This step sets the tone for the entire wall, so take your time to get it right. Now, we build up the wall. Notice how each row is staggered? This is called the stretcher bond pattern, and it increases the wall's strength and stability. Apply mortar between each brick, ensuring they are securely bonded. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Smooth out the mortar joints for a neat and polished look. This not only improves the appearance but also adds to the wall's durability. And there you have it. That's how bricklaying is done, one brick at a time to build a strong and reliable structure. Subscribe for more construction insights.